What's up, everybody? God bless you. This is Brian, and this video is kind of like impromptu. It's just a short one that I'm going to do. I'm going to share a short dream, crypto related, prophetic in nature, that our brother Benjamin Jacques recently had. He actually posted this on his YouTube channel. Make sure you check out his ministry and that you read his community posts because sometimes he does share his dreams there as well. This one, I actually have not had the opportunity to hear this from him directly or in any of our groups. So what's really cool is it's short. I'm going to share it with you. And so I think I have a little bit of insight into what the meaning of this could be. And I think if we all kind of sit still and just kind of listen in and ask Holy Spirit, you might have clues to it. So I thought it'd be fun to do this short little one. And so go ahead and get ready to type in the comment section your thoughts on this dream. All right, so before we jump into the dream, if you would like the opportunity to be on a private Zoom with Benjamin Jacques, myself, and the host, which would be Jacqueline Towell, then you can join our second part of this Crypto Prophetic Summit that we had. Now, Jacqueline is the one whom the Lord quickened her to, host this event online, virtual. And there is a part 2 now. We didn't know it would happen, but the Lord knew in advance. And so the amazing thing is you have an opportunity to join us. So go ahead and look in the description as well. I have the details there. It will be held on Saturday, July 25th, 2026 from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern. So that's from 9 to 11 a.m. Pacific. And you can join through the link. The amazing stuff is you're going to get access to the part 1, which was a whole 5 hours long. It was amazing. But this part 2 that's coming up at the end of this month is going to have a lot of price points. We're going to talk a lot about different altcoins and different things that you can take to prayer that may serve as confirmation for you, that may provide you insight. You'll have the opportunity to ask questions in the chat like we did in part 1, as well as at the very end, have some Q&A. You go on video, you go ahead and ask any of us, and we will do our best to help you in any way we can. All right. Here is the short dream that Benjamin had. He says, in a dream several days ago, I saw 2 pieces of cardboard, and on them I saw dates that had to do with Terra Luna Classic. Okay. He wrote here, LUNC. I couldn't make out what those dates were exactly. I know that there was a date on one piece of the cardboard, and then in a separate vision, he was given, he didn't say by who, but he was given a business card. And on this card, it said LUNC, LUNC. He says, I believe there was a date on this one too. And I didn't see it, but I felt in the dream that that business card also had the Shiba Inu crypto written on it also. All right, so there you go. Short, let's see, a dream and then a vision. Okay, very interesting. So I'm just going to share some quick thoughts. Of course, let me know in the comments. Okay, and by the way, he did release this today, July 14th, 2026. Here are my initial thoughts. Okay, I believe both of them may very well go together because we've been hearing a lot. We've been hearing a lot about the Shiba and Terra Luna Classic actually running together. Okay, sorry, I had to keep pausing the video because I was getting messages I needed to respond to ASAP. Okay, so there's a bit of a visual here that Benjamin used with his AI, which is amazing AI skills, I gotta say. And so here are my thoughts. Okay, you got a dream, you got Terra Luna Classic, you got 2 pieces of cardboard. They both say LUNC, and there was at least one date on it. Okay, and then you have the vision, which came later. And in the vision, Benjamin was given a business card. Okay, notice the contrast: cardboard, business card. Okay, informal, quote unquote, trash, seen as worthless. And then you got business card, official, in business, maybe an entity. It's something that's more formalized or established, we could say. All right, I'm just kind of speaking here just as things bubble forth here. And on the business card in the vision, he saw LUNC, LUNC, okay? And he saw Shiba Inu. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. So I'm just going to drop some quick thoughts. You let me know. All right. So we have we have a dream. Okay. Dreams are highly, highly symbolic. And then you have visions. And even though visions are, whoa, thank you, Holy Spirit, can be symbolic, I believe many times visions are kind of straightforward. All right. I don't have the full grasp. I'm not setting like, rules. But I believe a lot of times they are a lot more direct, even literal. Okay, so let's just kind of ponder that together. So you have almost like a part one and a part two, is at least the way I'm seeing it. You have two cardboard pieces. Now, here's just one layer of thought. Let me know your thoughts. You have LUNC and LUNC, two pieces of cardboard. Could it be the original Terra Luna Classic? And could it be the one they call it Luna. The first one they call LUNC, which is the original, the prophetic one. And then you have Luna, I guess it's the 2.0 or whatnot. Now, as an FYI, I am not invested in the quote unquote new one. I'm invested in the classic, okay? By the way, nothing said in this video or by me ever will be financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor, okay? That's something we just need to say. Hopefully you know that by now. And so what if in one layer of understanding, the two cardboards symbolize the old and the new? That could be. What if it symbolizes two different events regarding Terra Luna Classic being the prophetic coin? Okay, now I know both cardboards said LUNC, so it's possible that first thought that I had of the second one being like the 2.0, it may not even be accurate, which is okay. I'm actually getting that right now, so I'm correcting myself here in real time. And so you have cardboard. Cardboard is what? It's considered trash, basically, right? Recycle, if you want to be literal. Nothing fancy, nothing established. And then there were dates on there. So there is something happening. And if with this dream coming from the Lord, there's something going on, and it may be perceived through the lens of the world, through the lens of the flesh, through the lens of the carnal mind, and dare I say it, lack of faith that God can do all things. People may see it as trash. Then you have the vision, a little bit more solidified, possibly a little bit more literal, a little bit more less symbolic. In the vision, a business card, meaning it is a business, was handed to Benjamin. And the business card, it's a little bit more, it's the opposite of trash, isn't it? Okay, so could it be the Lord showing us this is how it appears, but this is what it shall become? This is what it may look like to the world, but look at what I'm going to do. He's going to formalize it. He's going to establish it. It says Terra Luna Classic, and then it had Shiba Inu also on there. So could the Lord be saying, could he be saying, I mean business regarding Terra Luna Classic, regarding Shiba? Could it be that there is a correlation in terms of the timing of both running? Could it be that just like Daniel's dream that he had, remember that 4-part dream? Hopefully you've seen it already, where in part 3, Terra Luna Classic had gone up, and Daniel just knew, all right, time to put profits into Shiba. Could it be that connection, meaning like, yes, God has a plan, and those who have eyes to see and ears to hear should jump in on it? So it could be a multiple of things as well. And so anyway, yeah, those are my thoughts. I read this dream. I thought about it for like 2-3 minutes, and I said, let me just do a quick video. All right. So anyway, those are my thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. Listen, if you're new to crypto and you're interested in getting started, look down below on my website. I have 5 ebooks. One of those is an introduction to cryptocurrency. It is on sale. It's under $10. I think it's like under $9 actually. So if you're interested, that will kind of dumb things down for you. It's okay. We all have to start somewhere, and the Lord had me create that in order to help those of you who are new and who would like to some help, and you don't want to take time to research it. So I've packaged that for you. All right. I will be bringing you very, very soon my updated list of top crypto meme coins, prophetic meme coins, as well as other prophetic coins that are not meme coins with a lot more price points. Okay. I'm talking triple. So be on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will announce when it is ready for you. I know that's going to be a hot topic. I'm excited. And I myself have spent hundreds of hours, okay, over the last couple months, over a year, gathering this stuff, gathering the data, so you don't have to. Now you can if you want to, but it will be a product. I will be offering it on my store with some other things as well. So I'm just giving you the heads up. You don't have to get it if you don't want to. Then you can go search out the prices for yourself. It's all good. All right. So you choose. Be blessed, and let me know your thoughts on this awesome dream and vision that Benjamin Jacques had. Bye bye.